We're making fish cakes,
Awesome.
but not any fish cakes.
I actually have something to admit to you about this.
Yes.
My mum used to make me eat these as a kid, and I used to feed them to my pet dog Romeo under the table because I didn't like them. So you're gonna have to make these really delicious.
We don't have a dog, but we've got 3 cameras, so there's no hiding this. Let's start smashing these little potatoes.
I was hoping you'd say that.
So these have just been boiled with some salt and some water, and that's going to be the base.
They're cute. Thank you very much.
So I'm just going to flake some salmon in there.
Oh, and you've got all the hemp from before.
Yep. So the leftover salmon from our 1 tray.
Do I just mix him through?
Yeah, keep going for it. It's a team effort. So we cooked this in our last recipe, and it was a hemp and herb crusted 1 tray salmon. And we had some left over. So you could use any fish you wanted. It could be whitefish. You could use smoked salmon. Would be really delicious as well.
Trout. We're talking about.
Yes, but I heard you don't like trout.
I love trout. I'm just allergic to trout for some reason, but not salmon.
Not salmon.
Yeah, I love salmon.
That's good.
Because there's all herbs and stuff that from cooking it, we don't really need to spike it too much more.
Not too much. I'm just going to add a little bit more lemon zest and probably some juice just to sort of give it a bit of acid and give it a kick.
I eat it like this. It looks really
good. It does.
good.
It's a nice little salad. There you go. Job done. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe.
Just mash it all together.
Some hemp seeds in there as well.
So again, we're hitting it with fibre, magnesium, zinc, good omegas.
Absolutely, and it's going to help bind it and give it, another really nice sort of creamy texture that's going to add in with those potatoes. Yep, go for it. So I'll get in there with some lemon rind.
Delish.
So good. We're going to crumb it and fry it, so it's going to be crispy on the outside. And it's going to be sort of really rich and beautiful and full of flavour in the middle.
So you haven't even used flour or anything like that?
Not to bind it, no. I will add some salt, which is just here.
I'm making a right mess.
No, it's
I
good.
apologise.
Sound like Jamie Oliver, making a right mess, isn't it?
Oh, really? That was a lovely accent.
Thank you. Probably a bit too chav for poor Jamie. Sorry, mate. And then we'll roll them into some...
How size?
I suppose they're going to match the
buns?
The buns.
So a bit bigger than him, maybe?
I think just a little bit bigger.
I thought we needed to be putting eggs and all that kind of thing in it.
We're going to batter them, so we're going to do an egg wash, some flour and some crumbs, and then put them in the pan.
Does that look good?
Perfect. I mean, they're almost like little rissoles.
Yeah, that feels very rissoly.
Yeah. Next step is egg wash time.
Awesome.
So I've got a clean little plate for them to go on.
Cute plate.
Thank you very much. We're going to hit our flour with a good pinch of salt.
Yep.
And completely optional, I'm going to add in there some smoky paprika.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
And some turmeric.
That smells really good.
So how much crumbing have you done before? How much,
Never.
Never? There's a... First time crumbing can be quite funny because you go from flour to your eggs to your crumb, and within no time at all, your hands are just like caked full of flour and crumb. And so the secret is to
you pulled the rings off. This
keep
is
one
serious.
hand, one hand for wet mix and one hand for dry mix, and that way.
Can you do the first one and then I'll copy?
Okay, I'll do that for you. So I do believe this one's yours.
Okay. How can you tell?
Because it's perfect.
Oh, what a sweetie. I thought it was going to be because there's like hunks missing. Okay. See, I'd be worried that I would go too heavy on that bit. Okay.
And then wet hand.
Yep. And we've just got eggies. That's all we've got in there.
Yep, just egg. And then onto our crumb.
Okay, so your little...
And back to the dry hand.
Okay. Should I give it a red hot crack?
I think so.
Okay.
Yep.
Other hand.
Yep. And then use that hand for wet.
This hand?
Yep.
Yep.
And then pop them back onto dry.
Trying to copy perfect. Back to the dry hand.
Yep.
Show me those.
So this is what you're talking about?
Yes. Yeah. Exactly. You get someone else to do it. We're going to shallow fry it. A good hit of olive oil. Pretty hot
Super
pan.
hot, yeah.
And then very carefully, just pop them in there, splashing away from yourself. And we'll just go a couple of them. It's exactly what you're after. So it's crunchy on the outside. So you get your soft potato, your soft salmon, you have your beautiful, soft, brioche or whatever bun you choose, and then you have like a crunchy outside texture.
Yeah. It looks so perfectly golden.
How gorgeous does that look?
So good and smells delish.
I hope you love them.
I know pressure's on, mate.
All right,
Pressure's
so
on.
now we get to build our burgers. So we are going to get some avocado, some pesto.
All right, in what order?
Good question.
I feel
think
like
go
pesto.
Pesto first for sure.
Okay. This pesto we made earlier,
Yep.
it's basil, it is kale and hemp. We've got the hemp seeds, but also hemp oil.
Yeah, so make sure you check out that video. I'm sure Mark will put a link here somewhere.
Pitching.
Somewhere. Doing.
Oh, late. I couldn't have done that.
Yes, you could have. Cause salad.
So you got your crunch, you got all your textures going on here, eh?
Yep, we're just going to have it like that. I'll do it that way.
So fancy.
And that way it folds out the sides. Maybe throw a patty on there for us. And then maybe some more pesto on top, and then we're good to go. Hold that up.
My
Hold that up.
goodness.
Look at that.
Holy mackerel. Moment of truth.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Fingers crossed that you like my fish patty.
I'm getting this big salmony bit right here. Okay, pressure's on, pressure's on. That's amazing. That's the best one I've ever had in my entire life.
That pesto is
The
phenomenal.
pesto works with it.
Yeah.
18.
Cheers.
Can we have more?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out Lola. Check out Hemple. Sign up to Bondi Harvest. We'll see you next week. Giddy up.